Bee Balm Monarda, also known as wild bergamot or Oswego tea, is a show-stopping North American perennial famous for its firework-like blooms, fragrant foliage, and magnetic appeal to pollinators. As a proud member of the mint family, Laminae, it brings the same vigorous spreading and distinctive square stems that characterize mints, along with a rich oregano citrus scent when the leaves are crushed. It is extremely cold hardy in zones 3 through 9. It likes at least 6 hours of full sun a day. Soil preference is rich, well-drained soil. Blooming time mid to late summer, July to September. And the height is 2 to 4 feet. It spreads out to 2 to 3 feet via rhizomes. It feeds hummingbirds, native bees, and butterflies, and it's a very valuable wildlife plant. It has distinctive blooms. The flowers look like tiny mop heads or fireworks made up of dozens of tubular, like crushed petals, bursting outwards. Colors range from deep crimson in Monarda didyma to lavender, pink, purple in Monarda fistulosa. Has very aromatic foliage. The dark green leaves emit a herbal citrusy aroma similar to bergamot orange oil, which gives Earl Grey its distinctive flavor, although Earl Grey comes from a different citrus fruit. Rhizomatous growth. Bee balm spreads underground via roots called rhizomes. Over a few seasons, a single plant can expand into a lush, deep clump. Gardeners love it as a pollinator magnet. The deep nectar tubes are tailor-made for hummingbirds, long-tongued bees, and swallowtail butterflies. It is deer and rabbit resistant. The potent aromatic oils in the leaves make it unpalatable to browsing wildlife. Has herbal and culinary uses. Indigenous people like the Oswego tribe brewed the tea into tea, hence the name Oswego tea. The leaves and edible petals can be used in teas, salads, and garnish. The single most common issue with bee balm is powdery mildew, a fungal powder on the foliage in late summer. To keep your plants thriving year after year, air circulation is a key. Give the plants 18 to 24 inches apart. Avoid crowding them tightly against dense walls or foliage. Consistent moisture. Keep the soil consistently damp, especially during peak heat. Stressed plants are much more susceptible to mildew. Divide every 3 years because the center of the clump eventually dies back while the outer edges expand. Dig out and divide the clump every 3 years in spring or early fall. Replant a healthy clump outer shoots and discard the woody center. Select resistant cultivars. If mildew is a recurring issue, look for resistant varieties like Jacob Klein, which is vibrant red, or raspberry wine, a dwarf series like Pardon My Pink. I hope that you like my video here all about the Monarda, the bee balm growing here in my garden. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.